What's the meaning of absurdity? Absurdity. 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 Absurdity is the state of being extremely unreasonable, meaningless or unsound in reason so as to be irrational or not taken seriously. It is contrasted with being realistic or reasonable. In general usage, absurdity may be synonymous with fanciful, foolish, bizarre, wild or nonsense. Absurdity can be found in many aspects of life, from the everyday to the philosophical. For example, it may seem absurd that we spend so much time and energy on things that ultimately have no meaning, such as working long hours at a job we don't enjoy. Or, it may seem absurd that we try to find meaning in a world that is ultimately meaningless. Absurdity can be a source of humor, but it can also be a source of anxiety and despair. It can be difficult to come to terms with the fact that our lives are ultimately meaningless. However, some people believe that absurdity can be a liberating force, freeing us from the need to find meaning in life and allowing us to simply enjoy the moment.